Om Namah Shivaya, children. Good morning. How are you all? Fine? Okay. All of you have done your homework? Hope everybody had did. So now, last week we have studied about addition. Everybody have practiced that? Okay. Now this week we are going to study about subtraction. Subtraction. Subtraction also you are learning from the very beginning. Anyhow, subtraction of large numbers you are going to study is the same as the subtraction of small numbers. Okay? Subtracting can be done from the ones place itself, and you can also check the subtraction by addition, that I will explain you now. So that let's take one example. 7, 4, 2, 6, 3, 0. What is this number? 7,42,630. From this you have to subtract 3,20,565. I have taken one example, okay? Subtraction symbol, minus. You have to draw one line. You have to, while doing subtraction, you have to start from the ones place. This is ones place. This is tens place. I'll write it here. The top ones place, tens place, then hundreds place, then thousands place, 10,000s place, and lakhs place. Okay, now we have to start from the ones place. Here 1 is having 0, and from 0 you have to subtract 5, which is not possible. So what you have to do? You have to carry 1 from the tens place. Tens place digit having 3. When you take 1 from here, you get here 10. And here remains 2. When you take from this number, soon you have to write here 2. Or the same number. When you take 1, you will have to subtract 1 and write here 2. Now here it is 10. Now out of 10, when you subtract 5, you get 5. Then can you subtract 6 from 2? 6 from 2? No, it's not possible. So you have to carry 1 from the hundreds place digit. Then you get here 12, and what is here remaining? 5. Now from 12 you can subtract 6. How many you will get? 6. So write here 6. Then subtract 5 from 0. It's possible. How much you get when you subtract 5 from 5? You get 0. 0. How many get here? From 2, when you subtract 0, you get the same number, 2 itself. Now here, 4. From 4, when you subtract 2, you get 2. And from 7, when you subtract 3, you get 4. So the answer is 4,22,065. Clear? For this, you have to carry numbers. Now see how we check this number. How we check whether this answer is correct or not. For that, when you add the answer and the number which is got subtracted, this number is got subtracted. You have to add this two number. You should get the answer, or you should get the number from which it is subtracted. This number you should get. When you add this two number, you should get this number. Okay, let us see. So let us check our answer. For that we have to write the answer first, that is 4 lakh 22,065 and add 32 3 lakh 20,565. When you add this two, what you will get, just see. 5 plus 5 is 10. 1 carry 0. 6 plus 6, 6. Count 6. You get 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. Write here 3. 1 carry. 5 plus 1 is 5 plus 0 is 5 plus 1 is 6. 6. 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. So you got 7,42,630, which was our question. Is it correct now? Correct. You confirm that your answer is correct. Now last week how we learned the properties of addition. Same way there are some properties of subtraction which we will learn now. So first property is when 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. Clear? Let us take an example for this. When 0 is subtracted, okay? So I'll take one number, that is 66 lakhs 34. I'm taking 5-digit number itself, okay? All 4, 2, 5. That is 6,34,425. 34,425. Now when you subtract 0, when you subtract 0 from this number, what you get? Just see. You have to subtract 0 from 5, you get 5. Here 2, nothing is there. 4, 4, 4, 3 and 6. So the same number you got. That is, when 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. This is the first property of subtraction. What is the second property? Second property is when 1 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number before. The difference is the number before, or you get the predecessor of the number. For example, take one example, that is 8,15,035. When you subtract 1, you have to subtract 1 from 5, you get 4, and remaining will be same, 3, 0, 5, 1 and 8. So what is this number? This is the before number of this number, or the predecessor of this number. So when 1 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number before or the predecessor of this number. Correct, no? Now the third property is when a number is subtracted from itself. The same number will be subtracted. The difference is always 0. So let us take one example. 9,35,615. So you have to subtract 9,35,615. When you subtract these two numbers, you get 0. 5. You have to subtract 5 from 5, 0, 1 from 1, 0, 6 from 6, 0, 5 from 5, 0, 3 from 3, 0, 9 from 9, 0. So the answer is 0 itself. 0. So when a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is always 0. So what are the three properties you have learned now? When 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. This is the number itself. When 1 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number before or the predecessor. And when a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is always 0 itself. Okay? Let us do a word problem related to addition. See, a city A has 43,26,290 people, while city B has 33,51,726 people. What is the total number of people in these two cities? Total number means you have to add. Whenever it is asking total number of things, total number of whatever it is asking, you have to do the addition. There is always confusion in doing a word problem, whether to do a addition or to do a subtraction. Okay, so when it is asking total number, you have to add. So let us see how we do. Okay, first we have to write what is the total number of people in city A. So the number of people in city A is equal to 43 lakh 26,090. Now what is the next you have to write? What is the number of people in city B? So write number of people in city B, that is equal to 33 lakh 51,726. Okay, now what you have to do? You have to find the addition, add. You have to add this two. Right here 43 lakh 26,000. At the side you do this addition. And next is 33 lakh 51,726. Okay, add this two. Same way as you have learned, 6 plus 0 is 6, 9 plus 2 is 11, 1, carry 1, 7 plus 1 is 8, 6 plus 1 is 7, 5 plus 2 is 7, 3 plus 3 is 6, 4 plus 3 is 7. So what you got? 76 lakh 76 76 76 77 816. That is 76 lakh 77,816. So this is the answer. This is the answer. Now last conclusion you have to write here. Total number of people. That is the last answer. People is equal to what you have did. You already add this. So that also you write here is equal to 43 lakh 26,090 plus 33 lakh 51,726. The answer is, what is the answer? 76 lakh 77,860. That you write here. 7677816. this answer you got. Okay. Thanks. Children, this addition and subtraction needs a lot of practice. So, whenever I am teaching here, you have to take so many examples, take lot of examples, or there are so many examples in the textbook itself. Do that, practice it, be ready, okay? Even if you know how to add, what is the answer, but still you make mistakes. So, you need a lot of practice every day. Suppose today I taught you, today, tomorrow you have to do. Then after leave one days and again in between you study other subject also. But maths is a subject which need a lot of practice. Everybody else are doing or not? Yes. So next we will see in the next class, okay?